Consider the circle whose equation is given below. Which of the following is the center of the circle? So to figure this out, I'm going to have to complete the square. So I'm going to do x squared minus 6x plus something. I'm going to complete the square on the x's plus y squared plus 16y plus something to complete the square on the y's equals negative 57. So I'm going to move the 57 over, and whatever I added to the left, I have to also add to the right. Okay, whatever I add here and here also needs to be added to the right-hand side of the equation. So how you decide what to add here is you take half the coefficient on x and square it. So half of negative 6 is negative 3, and when I square that, I get 9. Half of negative 16 is, sorry, positive 16. Half of 16 is 8, and when I square that, I get 64. So I have to add 9 and 64 to the other side of the equation as well. Now I can factor x squared minus 6x plus 9. That factors to x minus 3 squared. And then the y's, those factor to y plus 8 squared. And negative 57 plus 9 plus 64 is 16. So my center is at 3, negative 8, which is option D.